How much does Placeit cost? This is Matt, and in this video I'm going to go through the Placeit pricing. As you can see, I'm right here on the pricing page for Placeit. I'm going to go through the pricing in this video. It's pretty simple. First things first though, I do have an affiliate link in the video description. If you click my link, you will find yourself on a page like this, or very similar, depending on how Placeit changes its pages over time. So there will be a special offer of one kind or another depending on what Placeit are doing offers wise. They don't have a free trial or anything like that, but they have a very reasonable monthly plan, as you can see right here. So pricing wise, they just have one subscription now. So they've got what they call the unlimited subscription. This is priced at $7.47 per month. And with this, you get unlimited downloads. You get the largest Mockup library online. You get designs crafted by professionals, fully customizable logos, ready to use video templates, and so on and so forth. Won't read it all here, but you get high resolution and commercial usage included in that. You can cancel at any time, as you can see right here at the bottom. This is a contract that you can cancel whenever, although it does say right here unlimited subscription billed yearly in USD, so you are paying for the year in one go. So you can get some more information here as you scroll down the pricing page. There's also some frequently asked questions here if you want a little bit more information, but that was very simply Placeit pricing, Placeit by Envato. Hopefully you found this video useful. Check out my link, see what kind of deal, what kind of offer they are using. You can cancel at any time, so there's no risk to you, but I highly advise you check out Placeit for all of your mock-up needs, etc. Hopefully you found this video informative. If you have, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.